So for that, I will going to be upload any kind of the Excel workbook what I had in my file explorer. Then we can play around with some data sets. So I have a, you can see I have a data set with corresponding to, yeah, with corresponding to some related data sets with respect to number wise and also the data wise. So we'll try to understand, once you load into the Excel notebook or get the data from the Excel notebook, it will ask you to load or transform data. Load or transform data, you can see now in my screen. So this still basically tells about you require to load your metadata or the raw data with consider to in the Power BI visualization, or you want to transform the data with consider to transform your data with respect to the each other. Yeah, you can see here we have, so these two different fields we have in this case. If you are understood some of the display options, this is much straightforward. So this icon is represented as a table, this icon is represented as a sheet. So we in the Excel we have that so many sheets, right? In a table or Excel workbook, at sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So this kind of the representation is represented as a sheet 1. So I have a table, under that we have a sheet 1. Suppose I just click on my table and also sheet, and I'm going to be take consideration as a transform data. Just click on my transform data, it will be hold for and also the executing with respect to some of the processing queries and also give some results after that. So what will eventually this does, and is going to be very helpful to do any kind of the transformation data with considering with the Power BI query. Yeah, you can see here it will open another tab with respect to the Power BI query, Power Query Editor. Yeah, you can see this is somewhat similar to your file explorer, whatever we had, some of the text field and also the some of the home and the transform button and the add column and also the view and tools and the helps. So we'll also see one by one what are the different tabs we have and what are the different operations is going to be executed in the Power BI editor. Yeah, you can see in the home tab, I have close and apply. This is going to be very helpful after completion of your transformation techniques, whatever you have applied in the data set. Once you've done that, you can apply it or you can close and apply it. Then you are going to be seeing the data set in the Power BI. So in the Power BI. And you can close it if you want, you don't want to be transform it again and again. And you can save it and save as with some of the options related to the data source settings. Then you can also see with respect to the options and also the help you require to some training videos and documentation and guideline with corresponding to that. So this is also very helpful once you get some idea of with respect to whatever we have discussed in these classes. Once you're done with that, you can directly go and see some of the videos classes with respect to that. And I'm currently in the home